Good afternoon, grade 9 HPE class. My name is Mr. Chin, if you don't know me. Had a quick look at our role here, and it seems like I have taught you last year, taught most of you last year for HPE or in previous years for languages. I just want to say hello and welcome to Kaya. Sorry if I'm not saying it right, Kaya or Kia, Gus, Lily, and James, who are new students to Trinity. I really look forward to meeting you in person. Yesterday, I apologise for not being able to meet with you through Teams or even provide this sort of introduction video. I've had some technical issues and I still am facing a bit of issues here. So my Teams isn't working. I'm having computers freezing up and having some connection issues. As you can see, I'm outside trying to get a bit more better reception. Um, Hopefully yesterday you've got my message here through email and this newsfeed saying that you need to go onto your task here and download this Word document on lesson one and complete lesson one. Lesson one is on respiratory systems, and that's our first body system that we have to look at. Um, how Year 9 HPE works is that we've got two lessons on 1 week and one lesson on 1 week. To be exact, this is our even week and we've got two lessons. On our odd weeks, like weeks 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, we've got only one lesson. On those weeks that we've only got the one lesson, we always try to do practical lessons. So next week, when I see you in week 3, on campus, we'll be doing our practical lesson, and that is our volleyball. So our volleyball is our practical unit for term one, and human body systems is our theoretical unit for term one. So today, I know normally if we've got two lessons on our even weeks, we'll do one theory, one prac, but because unfortunately we're doing our online lessons this week, we're going to try and smash out as much of this theory now possible. So lesson one, respiratory system. I hope that most of you have got through a lot of it. If you haven't, in today's lesson, I would like you to finish this and make a start. If you have finished lesson one, make a start on lesson two. Now, lesson two is something that we could be possibly doing in weeks 4. So that's not next week, but the week after when we've got our next theory lesson. We will do this. But if you make an early start to it, then we can go through it again as a class. I can go through it with you, but you'll have some idea and some understanding of the topic. So today, I would like you to make sure that you finished your lesson one on respiratory system and make a start to your digestive system, which is lesson two. My Teams isn't working very well, but my Outlook does work. I can use my phone also to get emails. So if you have any issues, please feel free to contact me. And if you have any other questions, or if you're a new student and want to just know some things like about what we do in our PE lessons, I'm more than happy to answer those questions. Volleyball is our first practical unit, and I want to say that this is one of my favourite sports. I coach the open volleyball team at Trinity for APS Sport on Fridays, and I'm very, very passionate about my volleyball. So it's something that I am looking forward to a lot to teach you as of next week. So if you are okay to go ahead after watching this video, make a quick start, and please again feel free to contact me if you have any issues. Okay, thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.